Well, the chainsaw's not working, so let's try a homemade grappling hook.
Now this, I'd like to explain, and you're not allowed to delete this part, is Adam's idea. Okay?
Didn't go very far. So it's not going to work when you do it like that. Try again. Heave it right over it, otherwise it won't work. Right, fishing.
Gotta go even further, Adam.
Oh, you got a bit! It's pretty rare for you to get a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Well done. Can you please explain what you're about to do?
No. You know why?
So the end of this rope is
I don't know.
I don't know where to stand, it's going to be safe.
This is how we make a pitchfork go through the back window of the car.
Or through the person watching.
Just take a few. I'm sure there's a knot that's easy to undo than that, but never mind.
Attempt number 2.
Just take it easy.
Keep going. You got a little bit. Ready? 3rd attempt.
Patient this time and go really slow.
Yeah. Oh, it's just not working. You ready? It's so close to working. Right, so what's this next idea?
Yours?
Is it again my idea?
No.
So, you're doing what?
Anchor the ladder here.
Yep.
Hold it there, and then I'm just going to walk out on the ladder and nowhere. You recording now?
Yeah. Good
I
start.
just want to note that we've got all the safety features of instead of having a trigger. You don't have a trigger anymore because that's broken, you can't get past. So you have a throttle that you put your finger through, so you're pretty much attached to this till the end of the ride.
So when you throw it,
I've got it, I'm attached to it.
yeah, it's only going to cut your leg.
Yeah. Nice knowing you. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, Sandy. Everybody, 1, 1, 1 is the number.
Yeah. I'm in the wheel, right? Right?
Let you know afterwards. By the way, this is working.
Oh, good. I'm in the well, eh, Dad?
Hey?
I'm in the well, eh?
Yeah, I think so. There you go. Hey?
I'm rolling if you want to fall.
I'm not yet.
No. Yeah, that one doesn't look any more dangerous. What are you doing now?
Something really sensible.
Oh, good. That's on. Keep going. I didn't want to have to, you know, move it by hand because it looks so heavy. Your little... That was well worth using the car.
Yep.
You could... Yeah, that's about it.
That's good for it, buddy.
Turn it off first, you'll get yourself.
Yeah, look.
That's how I lost that. You'll be right.
Right.
You didn't even need to cut those bits, you just could reach them is all. Like the one-handed technique. No, not bad.
You saw that board lifting?
Enough?
I think that'll do it.
If you're going to fall, this is probably your last chance. Well, that was slightly uneventful.
Yeah.
At least you could do now is trip coming out of it. Mate, this isn't very good viewing.
Boring, eh? I'm sorry.
Just take a swan dive already. Running jump. So you got your view back?
Yeah, a bit more light in here, mate.
Yeah, heaps more view.
Thanks for, not for helping, but thanks for filming that.
Somebody needed to.
Yeah. Next time I invite you out, I'll note that it's to help, not with the filming, but the actual work.
Filming's hard work, mate. You've got to get all your angles, the lighting, the sound.
Yeah, I can see you're pretty fucked.
Oh, it's hard work, mate. Might have a lie down now.
Yeah, I'll carry on.
Good boy.